Hey guys, it is me, Wi-Fi Mania, and I'm going to bring you a few tips to the zombie apocalypse in case it ever happens. So tip number 1, you need to be organized. You can't have your pistols in one hand and something else in the other and then need to get something from your backpack. I mean, that's kind of foolish. Be like, where's my... I need to reload. Let me put that down. There we go. Let me pick that up. God. I need a camera. Okay. So yeah. Tip 2. You need sprays. Yeah, you need spray. Like, there's gonna be a lot of flies in the zombie apocalypse because there's gonna be so many dead bodies. So you're gonna need some insect spray to keep it off you. So when you're taking a Hail Mary, which is a poop if you don't know. Yeah, if you're taking a dump and there's flies around you, you gotta put that. It's like basic. It's basic. And I think this is gonna be the last one. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. So subscribe if you're new. Okay. If you hate it, like it. If you like it, subscribe. And if you love it, do both. Okay? I am Wi-Fi Mania. May God bless you.